this is your Max Classwork book page number 70, and today we are going to learn between numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. बिटवीन नंबर्स मीन्स जो बीच में आता है, टू नंबर्स के बीच में आता है उसको बोलते हैं बिटवीन नंबर्स. तो पहले हम रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे नंबर्स. विच नंबर इज दिस? नंबर 4. एंड विच नंबर इज दिस? नंबर 6. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट नंबर 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 4 is this. Number 5. Which number will comes after number 4? 5 and number 6. So 4, 5, 6. So 5 is the between number between 4 and 6. So we will write here number 5. Which number is this? Number 8, and this is 1, 0, 10. So we will find out which number comes between 8 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. So number 9 comes between number 8 and 1, 0, 10. So we will write here number 9. 8, 9, 10. Now which number is this? 1. And this is number 3. So which number comes between 1 and 3? Let's find out. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आया? नंबर 2. तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे नंबर 2. We will write number 2 over here. 1, 2, 3. Now which number is this? Number 0, and this is number 2. So which number comes in between number 0 and number 2? 0, 1, 2. So number 1 comes between 0 and 2. So 0, 1 and 2. Now which number is this? Number 2, and this is number 4. So let's see. 2, 3, 4. So number 3 comes between number 2 and 4. So we will write number 3 over here. Now which number is this? Number 7, and this is number 9. So which number we will write here? 7, 8, 9. So we will write number 8 over here. Now which number is this? Number 5, and this is number 7. So which number we will write here? Between 5 and 7? 5, 6, 7. So we will write number 6 over here. Which number is this? Number 3, and this is number 5. So let's see. 3, 4, 5. So which number comes between number 3 and number 5? Number 4. So we will write number 4 over here. See kids, like this way we will complete between numbers 0 to 10 in our Max Classwork book.